Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. We are here in my favorite place in the entire world, Nonna Romana's Brooklyn basement kitchen. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And what are we gonna make today?
Today I gotta make eggplant polpette.
Ooh.
Very good, I love too much.
Eggplant balls we're making today, like eggplant meatless meatballs to be exact. And I can't wait to get started on this because I've been wanting to do this show for quite some time and Nonna is so excited to share her recipe with you. Nonna, everybody loves these, right?
Oh yeah, everybody love it.
Every time you make
I
them.
make anytime, everybody love it. They go crazy for this one.
Everybody love it. And I'm just gonna go over the ingredients because it's really, really simple. We have a roasted eggplant. Now this baby has been roasting in an oven, 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it open and we're gonna scoop the flesh out. And then we're gonna mix it up with some cheeses, 2 different kinds of cheeses, some breadcrumbs, some basil, some garlic. We have some bread that we're gonna soak in some water and get it nice and soft. And then we're gonna stuff the middle with some mozzarella. And you can use different cheese if you want to. You can use scamorza, you can use any kind of soft cheese really, but they're perfect with mozzarella. And then we're gonna roll them in some more breadcrumbs, drizzle with some oil, and bake them. You don't even have to fry these and get your kitchen all messy. These are really, really easy to do. So, Nonna, what do we gotta do first?
I gotta cut eggplant and I gotta put it over here because they gotta catch out all the water they have.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've been roasting this, and roasting your eggplant makes the flesh so nice and kind of smoky. Look at that. And we let this cool down also. We roasted it and then let it cool because it could be hard to handle. It's okay. Okay. Now we gotta scrape. You gotta take out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold this strainer. Look at how nice that is. So when you roast the eggplant, you can kind of just peel the skin off, the flesh away from the skin, and it's perfect.
Okay. Okay.
Put it out. This one I'll do.
I put over here this one.
Yeah. You can almost squeeze it out. Look at that. Comes right off. Okay. You want to cut over here this?
Yeah. Let me take.
Okay. So here we go, guys. We have our eggplant flesh here. And I'm going to go in with my hands and I'm going to start crushing it. And you can see that already there's a lot of water coming out. Nonna, lo puoi alzare questo?
Yeah.
So I do this step for her because I'm the young, strong one, right, Nonna?
Sure. I am a Thai woman. You very young. You more strong to me.
Okay. So the best way to do this is with your hands. There's no shortcut. And as you can see, all that water is starting to drip down. And once you crush it, you're going to start pushing it with your fist kind of against the strainer. And even more water is going to come out. Okay, so you guys see how much water just came out of here. Very important to get as much moisture out of the eggplant as you can. And you want to make sure you give it a nice, good squeeze against the strainer. And now we're going to transfer it into this bowl. And we're ready to start making our other filling. Okay. Here we go. Okay, Nonna. What else do we got to put?
Gotta put the eggs.
We got to put this egg in here. And you want to put the garlics?
Yeah.
Okay. Put the garlics. We're going to add some cheese, some pecorino and parmigiano cheese, 2 different kinds of cheese. We're going to put breadcrumbs. And we're also going to put some bread. Now, this is, you can use Italian bread. This is about 3 slices of bread. We're not going to use the crust. We're just going to use the mollica. Call it la mollica. Nonna, in dialetto come si chiama questa parte?
Amdacola.
Amdacola.
Dialetto molese.
So for the complete recipe and a full list of ingredients, just head to cookingwithnonna.com, and we have it all written down there and measured. Ooh, that garlic smells good. These are so, so good. They're so good for holidays, for a get-together. Nobody doesn't like eggplant meatballs. I guarantee it.
When I am a little baby, you know, in this time they no buy a lot of meat. The meat costs a lot of money.
Solo per le feste, right? Just the holiday.
Just the holiday, they buy meat. Ma almost, my mother, they make eggplant parmigiana, meatball about the eggplant.
Because you had a lot of eggplant.
Yeah, they have a lot of, even pepperoni. My mother makes sometime, pepperoni stuff. Very good. Sometimes they make fried pepperoni. So they eat more vegetable, not too much meat, because the meat costs a lot of money.
You got to use what you have.
Sure.
Yeah. You got a lot of eggplant, you got to find ways to use them.
You got to use what you have. You got to use all the stuff that cost less money.
Why?
Because nobody had too much money before, you know.
And now everybody's rich?
Yeah, and they have money before, yeah.
You know, Nonna says that I'm a millionaire because I buy garbage bags. She does not believe in commercial garbage bags. Did you know that? She uses bags that she saves for garbage.
So for me, I think about like that, you know.
So I have our mollica all separated from the bread. I'm just going to add some water to this.
I put
basilic. Sure. So you could use mint instead of basil too. Mint is delicious. Whatever you want. Or parsley if you don't like either of those things. Put a little green in there. It's good. So I'm just working that water into the bread, making a nice paste out of it. And if you don't want to use water, you can also use milk. Milk makes the bread really nice and tender and gives a little bit more flavor to it. Mm-hmm. But milk was probably expensive in Nonna's day, so we're using water.
When I have a milk, I pour. You know, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay, so I'm going to add our soaked bread right into the mixture. Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to get my hands dirty because my hands are already dirty, so I feel bad making her do it. It smells so good, though. You smell the basil, the garlic. Oh,
maybe I put more. No, I don't think.
How do you think? Too much. You don't have too much basil. You can never have too much basil. How do you think?
Well, it's enough like that.
Okay. I'm going to start mixing over here.
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay. Beautiful. How do you think, Nonna?
Yeah, they look good. Yeah, very good.
I do okay?
Yeah, you do good job. Don't worry.
Okay. So now we're ready to assemble. So we're going to get our baking sheet back here. Okay, so we got our baking sheet here. These are Nonna's from Nonna's vintage collection, guys. She does not want new ones. I've had people write in and offer to buy her new ones. She don't want them. You love these things, right?
Wow. Oh, yeah. I love it. Because you put a pepper, you use anytime. That's all.
They're still good.
Yeah, they cook good, the stuff over there. Yeah, very good.
They cook good. That's right.
It's now later for make a polpette.
Okay, we ready to roll?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to make them about the size of a golf ball. And then we're going to, with your finger, make a little hole. And we're going to put a piece of mozzarella inside. And then if you want to put a little tiny bit more to close it up, you could do that. And then you're going to roll it in some more breadcrumbs. I'll bring it over here. And there you go. Okay, guys, I'm rolling the last one.
I got this more, okay.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Nonna just had to get every single bit out of the bowl.
Uh-uh.
Otherwise, I don't know what would happen. I don't know, guys. Okay. So our eggplant balls are all ready for the oven, except, oops, sorry, I lied. We need a little bit of extra virgin olive oil over each one. And these are kind of going to oven fry like this. So much easier than frying. Just drizzle each one with a little bit of oil. Okay, so these are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. It really depends on how strong your oven is, and you just really want them to be nice and golden brown. So we're going to take a break and cook them, and we will be right back.
Now in the Larry.
Oh, look at these. I cannot even wait. I'm not even going to lie. I can't wait to taste one of these. I'm not even joking.
Me too.
You too?
Sure.
Oh, that didn't work out. These look so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, they are so good.
So good. Mozzarella, it's very good.
Oh my goodness. You gotta taste too.
Yeah. Very good. I love it.
They're good, right?
Very good.
Oof. Look at that melted cheese inside. That's it. You can't stop eating these. It's official.
Very good. I love it.
It's just make double because you're gonna eat like one whole tray of them by yourself. There's nothing to be done about it. You can't resist them. No wants another one. No?
Oh, no. Later.
Later. These are really, really good, guys, at like midnight, like when you're like in the fridge, in your pajamas and just eating them standing up, with the door open. Everybody does it. What are you going to do? But Nonna, thank you for showing everybody how to make these today.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for being my Nonna today and every day. Mwah. Nonna's so good with her mouth full. She can't resist. These are so good. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.